Are you ready to turn your Amazon FBA dreams into a fully automated income stream? Look no further. We specialize in Amazon FBA store setup and automation to help serious sellers like you scale fast. Our experts take care of everything, from creating a professional Amazon storefront to listing winning products, setting up fulfillment, managing inventory, and optimizing every step for maximum profits. We handle product research, supplier sourcing, logistics, brand registry, and automated order processing. So you focus on growth while we do the heavy lifting. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to automate your current FBA business, we've got the tools, team, and strategy to make it happen efficiently and profitably. If you're a serious seller ready to invest in real growth, click the link in the description now. Contact us today to get started on your fully automated Amazon FBA store. Let's boost your brand and your revenue together.